Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis expert level, after a huge selection looking into different pairs, I've selected $CAD. The whole purpose of the weekly market analysis expert level is to give you an opportunity to learn how to trade even better, and I'll find the most interesting setup. It could be something that is a bit confusing if you're not my students, because I am seeing things in various perspectives. That's how I do my analysis. Alright, but I keep it really simple most of the times when I'm sharing them in the usual trio that I'm sharing, the euro dollar, the pound dollar, and dollar yen. But when it comes to the weekly market analysis expert level, that is where I will find something that is nice, and sometimes I even share some of the potential combos and opportunities I'm looking at. The whole idea is to bring the risk to even lower than before and the profits higher. Alright, so if this is what interests you, drop me a note and we'll get in touch with you, and we'll see if you're a good fit before I accept you as a student. Alright, so let's head to our daily chart. Over here on the daily chart, $CAD is still on a bullish trend, strong bullish trend by the way. If we head down to the 4-hour chart, this is what we have. Based off the 4-hour chart, let's have a look. Based off 4-hour chart is on a bearish trend, and to the 1-hour chart, bearish trend as well. So as mentioned, if you still can't figure out how to read these trends, you can scan this QR code, it will bring you to our Telegram channel. You can participate a bit, see how we manage, host the community, and on top of the link there is an open invitation to you to join our student community over here, where you can start learning trading for free. Alright, free trainings over here. I've been told that there are students that have attended these lessons and say that they pay more than 1,200 and they don't spend more than that 1,200 USD. Alright, and if you'd like to get coached by myself, just drop me a note and we'll see how we can make an arrangement with you, and most importantly, if you fit into our community before we talk about anything else. Alright, so some of benefits that our students have is to access to my trading ideas over here. You can see target 2 is more than 2:1, which means you just need 40% accuracy to be profitable. That significantly bring down the level of stress that traders have, okay, in trading. If this is something that's for you, drop me a note. The whole idea is to have you to look into how we develop these trades, and not for you to follow the trades blindly. So I have to get the mindset right. Yeah. So back to our daily chart, and let's get going. All right. So on the daily chart, what I'm looking at is a potential bullish shark pattern. And if I may, if we head down up to the weekly chart, the weekly support level I'm looking at is 1.3004. You know, to keep it short and simple, you can say 1.3, which is fine. And you can see that this is the line 1.3, the solid line over here. The dotted line is for me the trigger alarm for this bullish shark pattern. Okay, you can see a lot of buying action I'm looking at over here. Let's check out what is this. Yep, this is invalid, so let me just remove it. For our chart, one of the ways that you can get hold of this selling opportunity, because I know traders sometimes are crazy, are saying, how can I earn this 200 pips movement? Well, you can't unless you have a strategy for that, and in this case I do have. I'm waiting for candlesticks to come back up, retest this trend line, prove to me that it didn't break and close out of this trend line. How I'm saying it is break and close beyond the trend line. If it stay put within it, then I'll wait for a shorting opportunity. Not so much on the 1 hour or 15 minutes time frame. This is what I'm looking at, a shorting opportunity over here. If the market rebounds back up, definitely I'm not going to buy, because I don't know where is the turning point over here. Yes, I can estimate, but that is not the best way to engage a trade. I like my money, if I'm going to risk it, it has to be the lowest risk and highest returns. Alright, and to short it, I could even extend all the way. First target is definitely to the recent low. Assuming this is turning point, then this will be the first target. The whole purpose of first target is for me to take some profits out and to shift stops to entry. And the final target, I will extend towards the completion of the shark pattern. I will just make it flow and see if this level hold up. If you know the secret about shark pattern, it can have up to 3 entry point. Alright, got my point. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. If you're serious in this industry, you're looking to earn additional income as a trader by yourself, you know, to fight off all those inflations and stuff like that, or even looking for an opportunity to get into the financial industry in time to come, drop me a note. We'll see if you're a good fit before we accept you. So pretty much if you say yes to you, the rest is for you to commit and you should see results. That's all I have for you today. Till then, remember always plan your trade and choose your plan.